And turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Caitlin Harvey, of course, when we look at what Leah is seeing out there this morning, a lot of people waking up not knowing whether their home, their business, even places of worship, just somewhere they've gone every day, will still be standing there today. And part of that is because of some of the weather that we've been seeing. Is there any change today? I know obviously you can't control the weather, but how is it looking for today?
Unfortunately, like Leah mentioned, the winds are strong again. I'm already seeing a terribly low relative humidities, meaning it's very dry outside. Of course, the smoke and all of the dry air coming from those wildfires not helping. But as we head into your afternoon, temperatures are going to be hot. That will lead to relative humidity levels plummeting. I truly wish I had better news. Today is another day we need to be extra careful. Starting off this morning, coolest temperature of the day, lighter winds than what we'll see into your afternoon. Best conditions for the firefight we will get out of your Wednesday. 84 degrees along the coast. You're the anomaly this morning. Breezy winds out of the northeast warming us up. But look at this. We are seeing some smoke across the region, even a little bit of the marine layer out along the coast, but with visibility down to 7 miles in Medford, 5 miles in Brookings. That is smoke out there for your morning, unfortunately. So also, like Leah mentioned, want to keep those face masks with you. Right now, winds are slowly starting to pick up. Right now, still fairly calm compared to what we'll have moving our way. These winds generally out of the east are going to push that smoke and fires out to the west. Currently, wind gusts are starting to pick up into the Cascades and Siskiyous. Expect those today between about 35 to 45 miles an hour. Slight difference from yesterday. These aren't quite as gusty, but like you saw in Leah's shot in Ashland in front of that, unfortunately, it destroyed Burger King. It is going to be another windy day. Wind advisory out for Jackson County until 2 o'clock this afternoon. Windy across the region and even hotter today, meaning drier conditions for your afternoon. 99 our high today in Grants Pass. 86 degrees for Klamath Falls, 73 at Crater Lake, 84 at Mount Shasta City, and I do think we'll get a little bit cooler for the coast, spending most of your time today into the 70s and lower 80s. Biggest concern, again, this red flag warning. Now our focus shifts from, of course, not wanting to start any new fires, but seeing these red areas, which does include the Cascades, Siskiyous, Jackson, Josephine, Curry, Central and Western Siskiyou County. So most of our wildfires burning, seeing that risk for significant spread today and through your afternoon. Again, winds going to be the strongest before about 2 p.m. Should back off a little bit tonight, and tomorrow we should finally get a little bit of relief from these unusual winds. So widespread gusty winds today, still seeing that risk for power outages, loose items to be thrown, embers to be carried quite far as well. A very low relative humidity, even drier than yesterday, and with that severe drought and extreme drought across the region, it's not going to take a lot to spread these. So be smart, get that plan in place now should you find yourself under an evacuation order. Out along the coast today, red flag warning, dense smoke advisory, breezy, a high up near the 70s for most of us. For Northern California, 95 today. Breezy, red flag warning in effect until this afternoon and evening. For those of us in the Klamath Basin, we're up to 86 today. Breezy, smoke, but no red flag warning today. Still could see fires spread significantly due to these dry conditions. Cascades and Siskiyous, windy, red flag warning today. Seeing temperatures up into the 80s. Plenty of smoke too. And for the Rogue Valley, 100, still very hot, still very dry. Seeing dense smoke. Red flag warning, wind advisory, just all around another day that we need to be extra cautious and extra prepared, Anna.